Guys, today we're going to be building Lego set 21240. So I like the set for 65 pieces. This isn't so bad. It has a lot of cool features, like this TNT block, which I pull this lever, it explodes. But we'll show you that in the end. But right now, our most important thing is to get building. Okay, so guys, first we're going to build Alex. We need to get all his parts like this, this, and we have to get his feet and his pickaxe. So we put these together. This is what it should look like. And then you get builders on next. You have to get this, and these pins. So let's get building. This is what these should look like right now. Okay, so now that we got that, you grab this big blue 6 by 10 blue plate and connect it to this 4 by 2 plate on the very edge, like this. And then now that you got that, you can get this 4 by 6 brown plate and connect it here like that, so it should be looking like this. And you get this, I don't even know what to call it, but whatever it looks like, it should look like this. And you stick it right here. And you get this little brown 2 by 4 plate and stick it over here. So we got that done. We grab this little tiny neon disc and stick it on the very edge of the plate. So we got that. And 2 spaces away, we put a 2 by 4 brown plate like this. So it did look like that. And then right there, we're going to take another one of these. We're going to take this piece, going to attach it on here, and then you can take this 2 by 2 red plate, take these 2 pieces that say TNT and stick them aside, and take this and stick like this. And then you add this piece on top of it. So now that you've got that covered, you put this like that. No, wait, no, I put it the wrong way. Like this. Okay, and then now that you got that aside, we might actually need it. Okay, so you put this on here, and then you stick this there. So then now you take one of these, flip it, put it over here. Oh, dang it, keeps on falling. Wait. Guys, if you don't want to see this part, then skip it. Okay, now what that? You take this piece, you take this 1 by 1 brick, and stick this piece in here, and then you put it over here. Okay, so I might have to hold this. And then you'll take this, stick it right in the middle and put it like that. Now that we got that done, you turn it around to here. You take this flower piece and we'll fix that later. But so right now you take this, you take 3 of these flower stud thingies, you stick them on here like this. And now you grab this over here, stick it in here, so it should look like that. Then now you grab this plate, this 2x2 brick. You grab this 2x2 brown plate, stick it together, and place it over here. Okay, so then now you grab this 6x2 brown plate. You put it over here. I just keep on coming off. Oh, probably because I'm pressing it down on a soft surface. But so now that that's been done, I can take this 4x2, stick it on like that. Oh, we can stick this on later, guys. Just take it off for now. It's getting kind of disturbing. And then you take 2 of these 2x2 brown brick brown bricks on top of each other, and you stack this 2x2 brown plate them, and you stick it over here. So then, if I'm going too fast, then you can slow it down for every step. Then you take this 2x6 brown plate, stick it on here. Now that you've got that covered, let me just move this out of the way. You take this 2x4 plate, put it out over here. Now you take these two and put those together, stack them over here, and now let's building something I forgot. I should have mentioned a long time ago. And so you stick this piece over here, these little semicircle pieces near it to make it look like a lotus pad. And then you add this is my favorite piece of the set, this Minecraft frog, because guys, you know why I'm Amphibian Master YT. And then you take this mossy green plate, stick it over here, and add the slime block on top of it. Now that we got that covered, you take this 4x4 green plate apparently, and you put this 2x4 mossy green brick, and repeat that on the other side. Take this 2x2 mossy green plate and stick it in the middle, so it should look like this. Turn it around this side. Take this clutching piece, put that over here. Take another one of those, put that over here. So, and then you stick this over here, and you stick this over here. Now you got that. So many more of these pieces, trust me. You add this, stick that over here. And you take one of these plain tiles, mossy green tiles, stick it on like this. And then you flap it like that to make it look like a mossy tree. Now with this, take another one of these again, stick it over here. It should look like that. And then you flip it over, another one like that, so it should look like this. And then you grab another one of that. Put it over here. Oh, wait. Nope. I put it the wrong way. Guys, please skip this part. This is something I shouldn't have been recording. But, okay, so, and then you take that piece and put it over here. Now you got that. Flap it over. Put the mousy green tile. Boom. Oh, wait, guys, it ripped off. And then, boom. So, got that done. Stick it on this plate and oh wait, you can just put this. You're having a little problem. Here. So it should look like this. You gotta stick it over, and just one last step until the whole set is done. You put these over here. Yeah, and you take another one of those, flip it around to the design side, put it over here. Take this circular plate thingy, put it over here, stick this over here. Now, you can put the TNT brick back where it was. And just add the minifigures. Let's go. Okay, let's add the minifigures on. And boom. And you guys remember how I said there was a future? Well, look, you know how TNT blocks explode? Okay, I'm gonna zoom it out just in case. Okay, so basically if I click this red lever, the TNT block explodes. So that was it, guys. If you want to watch more, then go to my channel. And I hope you have a great time. Bye.